Why do a few individuals amass immense wealth while millions struggle to make ends meet? Income inequality is one of the most pressing issues of our time, shaping economies, societies, and lives. But can physics, a field that studies the forces of nature, help us understand and address this economic divide? Welcome to Econophysics 101, where we uncover how the tools of physics can illuminate the complexities of wealth distribution. Income inequality refers to the unequal distribution of wealth among individuals or groups. Over the last few decades, this disparity has widened, leading to significant societal and economic challenges. Traditional economic models often fail to fully explain the mechanisms behind this inequality. But physicists, leveraging concepts like energy distribution and statistical mechanics, are uncovering new insights that may hold the key to understanding, and even mitigating, this global issue. In the late 19th century, economist Vilfredo Pareto observed that wealth distribution in society followed a predictable pattern: 20% of people controlled 80% of the wealth, a principle now known as the Pareto distribution. However, this simple rule couldn't explain why disparities grew over time or varied across societies. That's where physics came in. Physicists began studying wealth distribution as a complex system, drawing parallels to the distribution of energy and gases. Could the tools used to study atoms help us understand economies? Statistical mechanics, a branch of physics, examines how particles distribute energy in a system. Think of wealth as energy and individuals as particles. Just as energy flows between particles, wealth flows through transactions in an economy. This perspective led to the application of the Boltzmann-Gibbs distribution, which describes the likelihood of particles, or in this case, individuals, having certain amounts of energy or wealth. Surprisingly, real-world wealth distributions align closely with these physics-based models. One striking observation from physics is the principle of preferential attachment. Systems tend to favor those who already have more. In wealth distribution, this means the wealthy are more likely to accumulate even greater wealth, a concept often summarized as the rich get richer. This principle creates a power law distribution, where a small fraction of the population holds an outsized share of resources. From billionaires to tech monopolies, this pattern is evident everywhere. Econophysicists have used these models to analyze wealth distribution across various nations. For instance, in developed countries, wealth follows a dual structure. Most people's incomes align with Boltzmann-Gibbs distribution, while the ultra-rich follow a power law curve. In developing nations, economic disparities tend to be even more extreme. In the United States, the top 1% controls more than 30% of the wealth. Econophysics models reveal that small policy changes, like progressive taxation, can significantly alter these distributions over time. How can physics help us tackle inequality? By simulating wealth flows and market behaviors, econophysics provides valuable insights for policy design. For example, agent-based models allow us to test the impact of taxation or basic income policies before implementing them in the real world. Big data and AI further enhance these models, enabling policymakers to make informed decisions based on robust simulations. Looking ahead, interdisciplinary collaborations between physicists, economists, and data scientists are crucial for addressing income inequality. However, challenges remain. Human behavior, unlike particles, is influenced by emotions, culture, and politics, factors that are difficult to model. Still, as technology advances, the potential for creating equitable economies through science grows stronger. Econophysics offers a new perspective on wealth distribution and income inequality, transforming how we understand these pressing issues. This episode is brought to you by the outreach team of Physical Sciences Consultorium. To learn more or collaborate with us, contact us at psconsultorium@gmail.com. Together, let's bridge the gap between science and society. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more episodes of Econophysics 101.